Okay, last time we were out, they were not quite to the fourth floor, and so we're back today, and they're starting to put the siding on, and they've got these lifts to bring this particle board up. Now I gotta try to avoid the mud, so the camera's gonna be probably a little shaky. And then this little indention here, I guess the air conditioners will go there. Trying to avoid the mud here. Oops, didn't make it, stepped right in the mud. Okay, so here we are at the back of the house, got the garage, and all the way to the fourth floor, but they don't have the roof up yet. And check it out. Okay, well, stay tuned for the next video and give you an update.